Okay, June 26th, 2020, Tyler, he's here, 2111. I'm in Ladysmith for a northbound on the way that I plan to get. Don't know if it'll be the L563 or a general freighter, but we'll find out in the next several minutes. Okay, 2150, northbounder is here. Let's check him out. We got gate drop. Be an older model GE. What the? Are you kidding me? M-A-D-I-T! In my first C44CM rebuild! You're not! The book's on 473, 483, end of train devices going! Oh my gosh! I gotta tell you guys, I cannot believe it. My first C44CM rebuild to lead. It's gonna do it for that, and we'll do it here in Ladysmith. Tyler Hayes out. A nice horn show as well.